Hi friends, this is your host Amarbir and welcome to another episode of Chandigarh Data Recovery's YouTube channel videos. Today's video is about unboxing three tools that we have got from HDDSurgery. Two of them are platter stands, 3.5 inch platter stand and 2.5 inch platter stand. And one is the ramp tool for the SpyGlass series hard drives. And thank you once again, Nicola sir, for what I'm thanking you for. I just don't want to make that public. So let me just give a little introduction about why I have purchased the platter stands of HDDSurgery. In spite of doing scratched platter cases since a long time. Alright, so as you all know that I have been doing these very complex physical cases in mechanical drives in India, especially the rejected ones by other companies. Yes, I take time, but I nail a lot of them. So I already had these platter stands from certain Chinese companies, and my problem with these stands was as following: that when you take out a platter and put it on top of the platter stand, and so you can inspect this side of the platter, no problem, you can do whatever you feel like. But if you turn it like this, so it would fall down on to the hand or the ground, because there was nothing that would stop it from falling down. There was, like, when we put the platter over here, then there was no top thing which could just screw in and not let the platter fall off. So this was my biggest problem. So what I had to do with those Chinese stands is I literally had to take the platter out, then twist the platter like this, and then put the platter back into it. So that was my problem with those stands. And then who can beat Nicola sir's quality? So I have given this order to him, and I have received this order. This time the experience of courier was a little different, which I would like to share with my Indian friends. Alright, so this time the courier that has come was by UPS. By default, HDDSurgery sends the goods by UPS, and in this pandemic times, I have seen that the flights are not connected to India very often, so it keeps on roaming around. I mean, from Serbia it went to some other place, and then it went to Germany. And earlier from Germany we had a direct flight to Delhi, and it would reach there by the second or the third day. But this time it then flew to Thailand, to China, and then ultimately it came to Delhi. Custom clearance was smooth. There was not much of an issue that I had with custom clearance. But then later on, UPS is not delivering parcels to all cities with their own offices. So they use some franchisee. So this franchisee got the parcel, and he's just keeping the parcel, not informing us what is going on. So what was going on is that they were demanding that 11,083 rupees of custom duty that was to be paid on this parcel. But until unless I am not informed that it has to be paid, I can't pay that. So I got in touch with UPS. They gave me the number of these guys. They sent me a mail. I then gave them the money. And then ultimately the money went to them. Then they took another day to verify that the payment is done. Then it was passed from that agent to my local Chandigarh zonal areas, Zirakpur agent Prashant, and then Prashant got the parcel in the morning today, and I asked him, please deliver my parcel. He said, no, now I also need to confirm whether you have paid the custom duty or not. So he took some time, and ultimately I got the parcel here, and let me show you what is there in the parcel, what is the kind of parcel available. So here you go. This is the parcel that we got from HDDSurgery. This is not a very big parcel, but this is a very small parcel. But of because two platter stands are inside this parcel, so it is very heavy. So the courier charges of transferring this from Serbia to India was 170 euros, because this is a 6 kg parcel. I mean, the platter stands are damn heavy. They are full steel and they are heavy. So that is what is inside this, parcel. We can open up this parcel and we can do a little unboxing, video of this to see what's coming, and I can show you what came out of it and what we are going to do. But I never use these goods as I will take them into my clean room. I will clean all of them once and then I will start using these tools. I never use any hard drive physical data recovery tool as is. I clean and I use them. So let's start unboxing this box by HDDSurgery. Okay guys, so let's start unboxing this. First we need to remove some air from my stomach. So stomach has gone in, air is out. Let's start unboxing the parcel. Okay, it's wrapped very nicely. So I am also going to take some little good time in removing all this stuff. That's my kitchen knife. Okay, so these are certain UPS papers which say shipped to Amarbir using UPS saver, and HDDSurgery's invoices there, which I don't want to show it to you guys. And 5.9 kgs to be precise. So they have now, taken this load as around 6, 6 kilograms. So here we go. Let's keep doing this. Very sturdy, and it's very fortunate that Indian customs has not ripped my poor parcel, which they do every time. Because anyhow they don't see anything inside, then though they don't understand anything. We have this fragile sticker here. I'm just throwing the waste down below. Alright, so even when I'm rocking this, I can hear that sound. Click, 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 click. Those are those platter stands, I think. Alright. बड़ा टाइट है यार. Wow. Part might be boring, but my money is not boring. So I don't want to rip the bloody thing away. Okay, so that's it. super packing as always. This little cushion was this foam was on the top, so that was very nicely packed. So I'm going to remove all these items one by one. A little more foam packing. These are not those customized boxes for HDD surgery products, but anyhow, this is how it is, and I really like what I see inside. Here you see this small box on the top. Oops! So this is the Western Digital 2.5-inch ramped P5 set, which is for the SpyGlass 5 platter and 10 head hard drives. So this is one of the tool that I have ordered. Let me see where I can keep them. Alright, I found a place. One very nice thing I like about this, Nicola sir and the HDD surgery team, when parcels are coming and these things are packed snugly by your staff, I used to always feel that a lot of this small particles and stuff could crop into these toolboxes, but you see this is like fully covered with this plastic cover, so there is no scope of that entering inside. Okay, I see my phone ringing, so I am going to pause this for a second and then I am going to come back and do this. Okay, so I thought I'll make another clip. I just paused that, but I switched it off. So here some more packing is coming out, and really nice packing, guys. There's a lot of this stuff coming out, lot of foam. ये तेरे काम आएगी. So here you go. You see those two boxes inside, and I love that thing again. This is very nicely packed, and I like these foams. I'm going to utilize them for keeping my hard drives from vibration. These are some tools which are free from HDD surgery. All right. I like making these very casual videos, talking to you guys very casually, because that is the way we should interact with our friends and family. Alright, time for taking them out. So this is one, and you can hear that noise. I don't know if any damage is done inside with this, but I don't think so it is. But the same thing I see on this time, that we see this polythene wrapping, so no dust from this box or from outside crops into this. And I have this very bad thing into this camera today. It keeps on making me black and white all the time. So this is the 2.5-inch stand, all right, and so you can see the box. Oh, so this is even heavier. This is the 3.5-inch platter box. Same shape, size, everything is same. And so that was what was going inside the box. So these are very, very heavy. Because if I had imported all the tools of HDD surgery other than these some few heavy things, even the hard drive, where we open up the hard drives, that tool is also the table, the workbench table, that is also very heavy, and these two are super heavy. So all the other tools like these ramp tools, they don't have much of an issue. So anyhow, so both of these are here, and then we have this small thing which I showed you in the earlier section of the video. This I really wanted, and I would like to discuss with the entire world what makes me, buy this particular tool from HDDSurgery. Well, I do a lot of testing for Apex Tool Lab guys also, and he has been sending me a lot of tools which I need to make a few set of videos. So I apologize that I have not been doing it, but I will make sure that in the first quarter of the coming year, which is January, February and March, I complete all those reviews. But generally I would like to tell you what is the difference, why I have purchased this particular tool when I already have the P5 tool from Western Digital from Apex Lab. The thing is that those tools are very light. So when you have a head stack which is this big, it's a 10 head stack, it's a very big head stack. So when you put Apex Tool Lab tool into it, you take the thing out, it's kind of fine. But when you put it back again, the base of the hard drive is not like this at 90 degree over there. After the ramp, it's not 90 degree, but it is curved like this in a 45 degree manner like this. So the tool ultimately gets stuck to this section, and the entire heads, instead of staying straight, they curve like this on the top, or they curve down. So, and then ultimately when it is at the right position, it comes back to its position, and the tool also comes out from the top because of so much of tension because of that base. This is not going to happen into this tool, I am damn sure. So that is the reason I have ordered this tool, because I get a lot of these Western Digital SpyGlass hard drives for data recovery. So I hope a comprehensive review for HDDSurgery products, especially these three, and some of the earlier ones I have, an Apex Tool Lab and ER tools, all of them are lined up, and I will be doing them in the next quarter of the coming year. And till that time, this is your host Amarbir. See you guys in the next video, and if you have any questions regarding this or generally about HDDSurgery, I'm pretty well versed with the product, so you please feel free to post them into the comment section, and I will definitely reply to all of you. I apologize that I have not been so much active on my YouTube channel lately, because I have donkey load of material still pending for physical recovery, and every bloody case that I am doing is so complex and takes so much of time that I am I can't even honor the time that I give my clients for these cases. On that note, see you again in the next video. So bye guys, and enjoy your new year. Christmas was great, and I would again wish everybody Merry Christmas.